Untuk tiketnya berapa Pak?
Untuk tiketnya ada 5.
5 per orang Pak ya?
Per orang.
Motor parkir?
Kalau motornya parkirnya 5.000.
5.000. Mobil Pak?
Mobil 10.000.
Oke, makasih Pak ya.
Iya, sama-sama.
Kita ada ATV, terus ada berkuda, ada panahan, dan juga ada flying fox.
Untuk wahana-wahana tersebut bayar lagi apa satu
ya,
kali sih?
Itu berbayar Pak.
Oh berbayar,
ya.
Oke.
Ya dari situ juga, terus ada penginapan, ada beberapa cottage, ada deluxe, ada lumbung, ada minimalis, fun camp juga ada.
Dan banyak disediakan spot-spot untuk foto ya Pak ya? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampai jumpa kembali dengan kami channel Kang Ojimke. Kali ini kita akan berrekreasi ke Kebun Pak Budi, Purwosari Pasuruan. Kebun Pak Budi Purwosari Pasuruan, wisata edukasi kini kian marak digalakkan pasarnya. Selain berwisata, pengunjung juga dapat belajar mengenai berbagai hal seperti halnya wisata edukasi di Kebun Pak Budi ini. Taman rekreasi keluarga yang menawarkan berbagai aktivitas wisata edukasi sangat baik bagi anak-anak untuk belajar tentang perkebunan dan lebih dekat dengan alam. Kegiatan-kegiatan seperti berkebun, bertani, dan berternak dan menjadi tema utama tempat wisata ini. Aktivitas wisata edukasi memanfaatkan alam sebagai wahananya. Tak heran jika lokasi wisata edukasi sering kali berada di pedesaan atau kaki gunung. Tentu sangat menyenangkan mengingat udara yang masih sejuk serta suasana yang tenang. Objek wisata ini menawarkan edukasi dan rekreasi, di antaranya pertanian organik, perkebunan organik, peternakan organik, hingga perikanan organik. Dan tentunya objek wisata ini sangat tepat bagi keluarga, terutama anak-anak. Selamat menyaksikan.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on. Cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.